So usually when we're administering the Woodcock-Johnson, we use these two forms. This one is the testing record and this one is a response booklet. Depending on the test number that you give, for example on here, if you're giving test 2, which would be the reading fluency test, this is the testing booklet in which the students could write their answers. For purposes of my assessment, since I was doing an assessment for a preschooler, she was 4 years old, so I only used test 1, which was the letter word identification test, which is the first test of the Woodcock-Johnson. So then I used the testing record because test 1 is on here. If you can see, for this part of the test, you mark the correct answers with a 1 and the incorrect answers with a 0. So if you can see on there my markings, the 0 would be the incorrect, the 1 would be the correct answers. So then if we add these numbers up, you're supposed to stop the test when they get 6 consecutive errors in a row. So towards the ending part of the test, she kind of shut down because the words were kind of complicated for her age. So I went ahead and marked those with a 0, and that's when we stopped the test. Now if we add up all the ones up, she got a score of 18. Now if you look on the side and you find the number of correct answers 18, it will give you an age equivalent estimate and a grade equivalent estimate. See, and on there you can see I went ahead and did the 18, age equivalent, grade equivalent. So she has an age equivalent of about 6 years 4 months and a grade equivalent estimate of about 1st grade. So those are the results I will be using for this test. Thanks.